Hey everybody, it's another hot one, y'all.
Hey, did you see that devil drinking 7-Up?
I see the devil drinking it.
Oh, drinking the 7-Up. It was hot. I mean, it was cold. It's old.
Yeah, we have to go in Sam's.
This is kind of hot to make you ugly.
You said that before.
What it does, I'm ugly again, don't
You ugly again? Stop making all the faces. You won't be ugly.
I'm supposed to see Donald Trump switch the ceiling.
What? Oh, I was gonna say, what? Oh, that's black. Is that blackberries?
Blueberries.
That's blackberries. Yeah, we need to run in here and pick up some tables for church because we're having a fellowship after service and we need more tables. So we're trying to get in here and get out and need some tables, and we need to pick up some of the covers for the tables. So I'm trying to get in here and get out.
I'm back, everybody.
We're not here for TV, sir. Stay focused. Why y'all men always feel like y'all have to look at TVs and electronic devices? Look, TVs everywhere, right, babe? Come on, honey, stay focused. Honey, please. He looking way up there. It doesn't matter. You don't need another TV. Sir, come on here. See, we're right here. That's the 8-foot. 8-foot. I say at least 4 of them, right? I don't think we need any more of the 6-footers right now. At least 4 of them. While you're doing that, babe, I think do you need me to help you? Because if not, I'm gonna go grab the those gonna fit in the truck, honey.
Huh?
Those gonna fit in the truck. They will.
Looks like it will.
Okay, let me go get the. You sure you don't need me to help you? Because I'm gonna go run and get the.
Go ahead, man.
You can do it. You're gonna be all right.
One of y'all come here.
Baby, I'm gonna stay. I'll help you.
I don't want you to, babe. I can do this.
No,
I don't need no help.
no, I'm gonna stay because this may roll.
Any of y'all.
This may roll.
Anybody.
Could we you go ahead? Y'all, I'm hearing this music too, so I'm gonna have to put some music over this. So I won't do the copyright strike. Yeah, babe, because you're not gonna be able to go anywhere but like to the register.
Could you please go by your business?
Oh, going by my business now? Is that what we doing? Now you want me going by my business? Is that what you said?
Yep.
That is not nice. All right then, bye. Let me go get what I need and I'll be right back. Not going about my business. This is what I need, y'all. Now let's see if he has all 4 of the tables loaded. He's probably gonna say, "Baby, how many tables you say we need? How many tables you say we need?" Let's see. I might be wrong, but we'll see. You still at it? You still at it? Why you moving so slow?
Because I don't want these things to hit my finger.
I know, right? I know, babe. I'm just messing with you. You're so strong. Wait a minute, you better slow down. Don't be trying to impress.
I'm strong. I just the most strong.
Oh. You're so strong. Ooh. Hey. Okay, we good? Ready to go?
Okay.
That's all I needed.
That's it?
That's it. All right. Let's get to getting.
It's made it.
Man, if that ain't a perfect fit, I thought we were going to have to take some of them and slide them up there in between us. I'm glad I told you to take out Jackson's car seat.
Let me tell you something.
What you looking at?
Now I know you can do that. I deserve a slushie. Help me. Help me. Such heat. So tired. So much energy. I can get a slushie.
What? You already got your slushie. As we already have some tables set up here in the vestibule. And we already have the water pans out. Water pans. We're going to be eating good after church tomorrow. And y'all, I'm so sorry. I have not shown y'all. Baby, I have still not shown them the church updates.
Well, let me see.
I haven't, but I want to do a video. I've not shown them. Okay. Not terrible. I need to show you guys a before and after because some of you all that are YouTube family members, you've expressed that some of you all are pastors, and some of you have small ministries like we do. Our ministry is small, but you've expressed, I shared when we first started ministry almost 10 years ago, how we renovated our church sanctuary in 30 days. So there are some things that I wanted to share. Get this door for him. So in me sharing some of those things, a lot of you really appreciate it, especially if you were starting ministry and just getting some ideas.
Give all the leaves on the ground. We'll take care of that tomorrow. Well,
But giving you guys some ideas about, starting where you are, using what you have, and doing what you can, especially when you are starting a ministry. We started with no members. So my husband and I were, having to finance all of this out of our pockets. So at some point, I am going to show you the renovations that we've done in comparison to what we did. Like I said, when we first started ministry, we made some changes in our sanctuary, and we also did, we added my husband an office and some other stuff that we did. So, because what he was using it as his office was pretty much like kind of like a multi-purpose room before we did our renovations. So, yeah. So at some point, I am going to share that with you guys. And then for some of you there are several of you that are in our local area. You guys come and visit. Come worship with us.
Did
We
we ever talk to them about start looking at starting just some tips that we can give a person? If you're out there, you're that's what God has called you into. I don't know. Do we?
I mean, when they saw the video that I did where we renovated the sanctuary in 30 days.
Okay, 30 days.
And I've not really, that was 10 years ago. So I've not really done anything since then. Even the renovations that we did last year, because I think our square footage is about 1,921 square feet, something like that. Our building used to be, if you can kind of tell, it used to be a long time ago what a Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. So you guys kind of have an idea of the size of their buildings. So that's what we have, and we just had to make do with the space that we have and not get started over our heads. But I've not done anything since
That
we
may be something
did.
we'll sit down and talk about, because like I said, starting where you are, using what you have, doing what you can. And it's amazing just the story of how Additions, we wanted to make a move, and Additions, no, sit still. Here we go, sit still, sit still. And really understanding the space we have. And you can see, um, once I let Donna see the vision, she took off and changed some things, and we had the space that we needed right here in the building. So you don't want to get on over your head.
Yeah.
And just start where you are. Really, just start where you are. Don't worry about it. If God has given you the vision, He will make that provision for that vision to come to life. Don't you try to do it. Don't jump out there too far. And again, when you're starting from ground up, you don't have an organization sending you out and financing you. When you don't have membership. When you're planted right where you are.
I'm switching hands.
Yeah.
My arm is getting tired.
Yeah. When you're planted right where you are, God will do exactly what God does. And it grows. It takes a while to grow. And no, we've never been into stealing nobody members. We don't do that. And so stuff like that. Just being able to let you guys see where we are, and just be able to give some advice to someone that may just be getting started. So that's what I say.
But I definitely need to do an updated video, because I've had a few people to reach out to me via email just saying how they really appreciated me sharing the things that we did, because it really gave them tips and ideas of what they can do for their ministry. Okay, so anyway, let's finish getting these tables in, and then we will check back in with you guys in just a second. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Baby, you did turn that light on in there, right?
Gotcha.
Oh, I didn't lock your office back. All right, we're headed out. Ooh. So we're getting ready to run a few more errands. But you guys can kind of see, like I say, our building is not real large. See? But it's just the cutest thing. You good, babe? And you guys, we are preparing for our 10th church anniversary, y'all. We are so excited, and we are going to use our church sanctuary, which I oftentimes refer to it as a multi-purpose room, and we are going to transform our sanctuary to this beautiful venue for our 10th church anniversary. So we are excited about that, and I'm definitely going to do a video. I'm going to capture the before and the after, but we're also going to go live that night. So if I don't forget, I'll also link I don't do this often, but I'll link our church YouTube channel and also our Facebook information. I will link that in the description box below, and that way some of you guys, if you want to tune in sometimes on Sunday at 10 o'clock a.m. on YouTube and Facebook, and then on Wednesdays at, did I say 10 o'clock a.m. on Sundays? Yes, YouTube and Facebook, and then on Wednesdays at 7 o'clock p.m. on Facebook Live only. But when I tell you, wait a minute, babe, let me get buckled up, that we are so excited about celebrating our 10th church. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Excuse me. Our 10th church anniversary. We're so excited, and just to see how, you can use the space that you have to do what needs to be done. So, like I said, we're gonna go live that night too. Babe, are you good? You need anything else? You got to say anything else? Look, y'all, he got his ice, and he got me one too.
That's right. Well, I got yours is like a reserve one. So when I finish mine,
is that why you got me one?
Yeah, I did.
You don't like peach, so, and I can't put you guys up. I can't clip you all in the windshield up there. Who's that? Oh, because it's too hot, and my device will act crazy. So I don't want you guys to be too shaky. So we're gonna end this. This was kind of different today. I hadn't taken you out to the church house in a while. Look, trying to get y'all saved, sanctified. Take you to the church house. Yes, come to Jesus. Come to Jesus. Get them saved, baby, right? Come to Jesus just now.
Oh, girl, you gonna make me start preaching to him?
Come to Jesus.
Turn around, saints.
Come
Stop what you're doing.
Jesus.
Straighten up.
Just now. Yes, sir. Take it to the church. Look, y'all, we getting ready to go. Well, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Turning on that notification bell.
Hit the nosy.
So you missed your cue. And that way you'll be notified whenever we're doing whatever it is we're doing over here. So, air is a blessed thing. Lord have mercy. AC. Y'all, listen. Okay. All right, listen. Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.
Bye.